Hello guys, in this video I will try to use the chart. Okay, so I will just show you how a penny stock can go higher and in the volume and then it dries up to zero. Okay, I will give you just an example. Please, if you haven't yet installed my chart, please do so and go to www.freestockcharts.com, install it, and you should see the same as I see. Okay, let's go to the chart right now. Now, this is an example of a penny stock. It's 80 cents last Friday. Now, let's see in this. Let's see how many shares traded in this day. 700 shares. Do you know what does it mean, 700? Okay, 700, if the stock is 80 cents, is less than $700. So this stock or this company is not something that you can trade, because we have only 700 shares. Maybe someone has bought $700 or something like that. Now here, 15,000. 15,000 is too small to trade. Okay, it's only 80 cents. Now you see these green and red candlesticks. Some here 20,000, 700, 6,000, 1,000, 3,000 shares traded a day. This is a daily chart. Okay, now let's see something else. See this. Now here, there is no volume at all. In that day, there is no one who comes to this stock to buy it or to sell it. That's why the price is 77 cents. It didn't change. Okay? Expect in this stock, for example, if you go to this stock, which is called PBMD, go to your broker and see on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or wherever, you will see that the bid and the ask is so wide. Okay, it's not a stock, a safe stock to buy and sell, because the bid and the ask is so wide. Now, why we have here 0 and here we have, let's say, 4,000? Because this stock is not known, and most of these stocks who manipulate it is the people who have forums, people who have chat rooms. You know, someone, for example, buys here, he buys 200 shares, and he asks people next day to buy because it's a good stock. Okay, tomorrow some people they buy and he will sell here with small profit. This is what the scammers are doing always in these penny stocks. Now, do you think a mutual fund will come to this company, which is called Prima Biomed Ltd, and he will buy this stock that has no traders, not known company? Do you think that? No, it is not. Okay, this is just to show you that if a stock has a 0 volume and then the next day it has 2,000 or 5,000 or 80,000, this is not a serious stock to trade in swing trading. Okay, check here also, 0. Okay, 0 volume. It means this stock has not traded in the day. It means there is no bid and there is no ask. Okay, no one shows up to buy, and this is very ridiculous that some people buy this kind of stocks. Okay, so avoid all these stocks and hope you understand this lesson. Thank you very much.